Interviews as a method of personality assessment are called conversation with a purpose. Therefore, interviewers need to dig up data dash.
Correct response. Relevant to the purpose of the interview is the most accurate answer.
Historically, in scientific personality measurement, there are two ways of looking at individual characteristics, namely based on dash.
Nice selection. Type and trait is the correct and valid answer.
Which of the 5 dimensions of personality focuses on whether an individual is organized or disorganized?
Bravo! Conscientiousness is the answer.
Personality is a relatively persistent pattern in an individual regarding the following things, except dash.
You got it. Your choice favorite activity is right.
Personality embraces dash, 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 and is most clearly expressed in interactions with other people. Well picked. Moods, attitudes, and opinions is the correct answer.
Personality is something which is unique in each individual. Characteristics of personality except dash.
Great thinking. Be vigilant is the right choice.
Dash refers to a branch of psychology that studies personality and its variation among individuals.
On track? Positive psychology is the correct answer. The realm of personality assessment that may be carried out by psychology graduates except dash.
You chose interpret graphic test results clinically, and it is correct.
Dash refers to the interacting influences between personality and environmental factors. Nice work. You chose reciprocal determinism, and it is correct.
Scientific personality assessment can be done using the techniques below, except dash. Clear logic. Your choice read the zodiac is sound and 100% true.
The interacting influences between personality and environmental factors is known as
Smart move. Reciprocal determinism is an accurate answer.
The following test tools, which are not included as personality test tools, are dash.
Strong choice. Wechsler intelligence test is the right answer.
a projective test consisting of a set of ambiguous scenes is known as the well-reasoned. Thematic apperception test is the correct choice. An individual's characteristic pattern of thinking, feeling, and acting. Valid point. Personality is true. His personality types were the basis of the Myers-Briggs type indicator. Right choice. Carl Jung is the best answer.
In dash, ambiguous stimuli are used to look at your unconscious motives.
Good job. Your answer, projective test, works well here. A projective test consisting of a series of different ink blots.
Sharp thinking. Rorschach is the right choice.
The following is not a use of psychological assessment. Dash. Excellent choice. Find out the testee's hobbies is the right answer. The following is not a Freudian concept in personality dash.
Smart pick. Indescribable mind is the correct choice.
Personality represents a dynamic orientation of dash.
Well done. Organism to environment is the right choice.
Race, age belong to dash, dimension of personality.
Correct. Internal is the right answer. A person's characteristic pattern of behavior.
Great job.
Trait is the accurate answer.
Personality is greatly influenced by dash. Perfect. Social interactions is the correct choice.
Personality is thought to be dash.
Right again. Long-term, stable and not easily changed is a valid answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Good thinking. Contact Narayan Chengder is the right answer.